Hey everyone, it's Julie here with Tip Ranks. Today we're taking a look at 4 strong buy dividend stocks for August. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. The month of August has arrived, and that means it's time to look at a few dividend stocks for the month ahead. All of the stocks we're looking at today have an ex-dividend date in the month of August. That is the date you must own a stock before in order to be eligible for that next dividend payment. So with them coming up in the next few weeks, it means you won't have to wait a long time to start collecting that passive income. We found today's stocks on the Tip Ranks dividend calendar. You can find that under the calendar menu or from the dividend menu as well. You can go week by week, day by day to see which companies are reporting. We added in a couple filters such as a strong buy consensus and trading on the major exchanges. So today, we're going to take a look at each of these companies and their dividends, plus see what Wall Street analysts are predicting for the stock's future. You can find the Tip Ranks calendar for yourself on the website or right on the mobile app, which you can download using the links in the description down below. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well. Now let's dive right into these dividend stocks for August. First up is Silicon Motion. They trade under the ticker SIMO, currently priced at $76 per share. They've gained 22% overall in the past year, climbing recently in the last 3 months by 43%. Silicon Motion is a fabless semiconductor company headquartered in Taiwan. They specialize in designing, developing, and marketing NAND flash controller integrated circuits for solid-state storage devices such as SSDs, embedded multimedia cards, memory cards, and USB flash drives. And their ex-dividend date is coming up on August 7th. With the payment date of August 21st, their current quarterly dividend is about 50 cents per share for a dividend yield of 2.6%. They just reported their Q2 results yesterday, coming out with both an earnings and revenue beat, with earnings per share of 69 cents beating estimates by 13 cents per share, and revenue coming in at $198.7 million, beating by over 17 million. The company saw significant growth in their mobile business and enterprise storage growth. And with 6 current analyst ratings, they do come in as a unanimous strong buy, with an average price target of $93, implying an upside potential of 22.5%. Looking at those ratings down below, they range from an upside of 18%, which we have several at, to 31%. Number 2 on our list is a company I've been talking about for years now, but it's hard not to include them on solid dividend videos. That is Energy Transfer. They trade under the ticker ET, currently priced at $17.85. They're up 13% overall in the past year and have climbed over 8% in the last 3 months. Energy Transfer is a major American midstream energy company. With over 125,000 miles of pipelines across 44 states, they're one of the largest midstream operators and NGL exporters globally. They primarily engage in the transportation, storage, and terminaling of natural gas, crude oil, natural gas liquids, and more. And their next ex-dividend date is on August 8th, with a payment date on August 19th. Their current quarterly dividend is 33 cents for an attractive yield of 7.18%. They'll be sharing their next quarterly earnings report next week on August 6th. This does follow mixed results from their last quarter with an earnings beat but revenue miss. Earnings per share of 36 cents was in line with expectations, while revenue of $21.02 billion missed by 520 million. They did see their adjusted EBITDA at $4.1 billion, which was up from $3.9 billion the year before. And with 7 current analyst ratings, we once again have a unanimous strong buy. Their average price target comes in at $23, implying an upside potential of 29%. Looking at those recent ratings down below, they range from 17% all the way up to 40%. Moving right along to our third stock, we have a company that has been paying and increasing their dividend for over 30 years. We're taking a look at Essential Utilities. They trade under the ticker WTRG, currently priced above $38 per share. They have had some ups and downs this past year and are down 11% overall, dropping 9% in the last 3 months. Essential Utilities is, as the name suggests, a U.S. utility company providing water, wastewater, and natural gas services. And they are one of the largest providers in that niche, serving approximately 5 million people across 9 states under the Aqua and Peoples brands. They represent an infrastructure company uniquely positioned to have a powerful impact on improving reliability, quality of life, and economic prosperity for all. And their ex-dividend date will be on August 12th, with a payment date of September 2nd. Their current quarterly dividend is just above 34 cents for a dividend yield of 3.54%. They also just reported their earnings yesterday, coming out with both an earnings and revenue beat. Earnings per share of 38 cents beat expectations by 8 cents per share, while revenue grew 18% year over year to $515 million, beating by $47 million. Their stock is rated a strong buy based on 4 current analyst ratings, with 3 buys and 1 hold. The average price target is $43.75, implying an upside potential of over 14%. Looking at those ratings down below, they range from 7% to 20%. For our 4th dividend stock, we're moving over to the financial sector with Provident Financial Services. They trade under the ticker PFS, priced just below $18 per share. Overall, they're up 5% in the past year and have gained 6.6% in the last 3 months. Provident Financial Services operates Provident Bank, which offers various financial services to individuals, families, and businesses. Primarily based in New Jersey with operations in New York and Pennsylvania, they are a community bank offering a range of personal and business services, providing checking and savings accounts, deposits, loans, and investment products. They emphasize digital banking solutions and mobile apps for secure account management. Their next ex-dividend date will be on August 15th, with a payment date of August 29th. Their current quarterly dividend is 24 cents per share for a yield of 5.2%. They shared their latest earnings report just last week on July 24th, and we have yet another earnings and revenue beat. In fact, they reported some record earnings, with earnings per share coming in at 55 cents, beating estimates by 5 cents per share, and revenue coming in at $214 million, beating by over $580,000. They achieved record net interest income of $187 million and saw strong loan growth. And with 4 current analyst ratings, we have yet another unanimous strong buy, with an average price target of $21.75 for an upside potential of 21%. And looking at those recent ratings down below, they range from an upside of 11% to 33%. So that is a quick look at 4 stocks, all with strong buy ratings from Wall Street and all with an ex-dividend date in the month of August. Let me know your thoughts on these companies in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. And of course, please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any specific stock. So please make sure you're always doing your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.